Today, I will going to discuss about the index function in Excel. So it's a simple and very important part for Excel. Uh, we are using index function in Excel to want uh, to find out a particular value from a particular locations. So if we want to use the Excel function, then we want to find out a value for a particular locations, and in an index function there were three requirements: array, row, and column. So let's start with our practical orientations. So here is the example of index function. This is the informations which was given here. I have written here some informations that product, port number, flight, and price. So here is some informations given. So I want to find out a particular product at a particular locations information. For example, I want uh, this kind of information. That means in column 1, row 3, and 24, what is included in here. So I just find out what is going in here. So that kind of information we should need it in Excel functions or index functions. So here is an example of index function. Let's find out how to create an index function. Is it, I have written some serial numbers. So here's some serial numbers. This is a serial number 543. That means this is the serial number. If I think this is the serial number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is the serial number. So I want to find out serial number 5. That means 5 means shoes, and to find out the only just one cell of that kind of serial number. So in here, the serial number 5, that means which information is included in serial number 5. So I want to find out by using the index function. Let's start equal to index. So I want to find out the index functions which information should be included in here. So this information, that means I want to find out the product. So this column should be included. From this column, I want to find out the location 5. So which information is included in location 5. So let's select all the information from here. So that's the array of index function. Then I put a comma, then row number, which row number I want to find out. So here is the row number 5. So I put just serial number 5. So I just select serial number 5. So I just put serial number 5. That means I have written in serial number in L42 5. So I select L42. Then press enter. So when I press enter, then I have find out a result that shows. That means in serial number 5 and column 1, I want to find out the number of serials of 5 from the column 1. So column 1 number of serial 5, that will be the shoes. So in the number 4, it will be the same. So I put just equal to an index. So when I insert the index function, there will be should be an array. So array means which information should I need to find out my particular locations, particular information. So that's the main informations. So if I want this column, so I just select the whole column, and then if I want to find out from this column, then I should select from this column. So I have select from the first column, that from this column I want to find out which is the serial number 4. So I select the array, then column row, column number. So column number here I written. So just select this cell. That means uh, this cell L42. So press enter. So in 4, number serial number 4, there was watches. So from the column 1 and uh, serial number 4, I find the watches. Column 1, serial number 5, I find the shoes. So at the same way, if I find out the column 1, serial number 6, then I put the same formulas. But if I find out the one formulas, and this formula will be used in the same way if I want to find out the same column or same serial number. So I want to find out the same column, so product column. So I just select the first cell, then press and drag the all other rest of the cell. So all rest of the cell will be get the result equally. So here is all kinds of result are done. So that way I find the index number. So this is the index number of Excel. So if I want to find out the index number in Excel, and that way I can find out the